on the track crash, guys.
Mark Martin into the inside wall on the back straightaway, and they're still jamming up.
Got tagged from the rear.
That's a pretty good description of what happened.
Leaders got there pretty quick too, and Mark's still sitting in the middle of the track.
The whole front just tore all up. Got the inside wall.
Mark was 17th at the time. Remember, he took the wave around and did not pit on the last caution. He was probably 30 laps or so from needing to pit again.
Yeah, he's racing really hard right here. You see with Brian Vickers. Get together. Mark gets the worst of it. Things happen fast here, and you see right here, he's up kind of in the middle of the track when the leaders come by.
Yeah, that's really just not kind of a misjudge on Mark's part. He was trying to slide up in behind. I think he thought the 83 of Vickers had just a little bit more speed than that.
Clear, we can see just fine.
Yeah, I think he thought he just had enough room to slide up.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Bobby Labonte in that 47 car involved in a little chain reaction accident there.
I hate to bring this up. We didn't think it was going to come down to it, but it looks like this is going to be right at the edge of their fuel window.
So we might be seeing top it off here, stay on the track rest of the race.
Good, we'll see.
Shut it off under the cautions, coast around where you can.
I don't know why we keep seeing this, but it seems like it's coming down to that almost every week.
Well, got